Kickstart your margin trading. What is margin trading? In Huobi's margin trading, traders can borrow crypto assets from the platform to amplify their profits. Margin trading is also a handy tool for short selling. What are cross and isolated margin modes? In isolated margin trading mode, the risk of each single currency pair is segregated from other pairs. While in cross-margin trade mode, all currency pairs within the account share the risks. Risk can be well limited within an isolated margin account, but liquidation is less likely to occur in the cross-margin account during price fluctuations. How to add collaterals? Tap the bottom Transfer, enter 100 USDT. Click the bottom Confirm to transfer relevant assets from the spot account to the cross-margin account for use as collaterals. Auto borrow trades. Assume the current BTC spot price is just below 17,000 USDT and the trader selects the auto borrow mode. Enter 17,000 USDT as the buy price and 0.01 as the buy amount. Click Buy Long BTC, and after execution their trader will have bought 0.01 BTC with 170 USDT. The automatically borrowed amount is 70 USDT. Auto repay trades. Assume the BTC spot price is above 18,000 USDT and a trader selects the auto repay mode. Enter 18,000 USDT as the price and 100% as the selling amount percentage, and click Sell BTC. After execution, the 70 USDT debt will be automatically repaid. Without regard to the trading fees and interest, the profit would be 10 USDT and the P&L ratio would be 10%. This is how the profits are amplified via margin trading. Now you're ready to begin your margin trading journey on Huobi and trade to scale up your profits.